going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Cry For Me by Camila Cabello. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will Charlie horse that ass. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and you're only using a few different chords throughout the entire song, and if you need the chord diagrams, as always, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, as well as a bunch of really useful information for you guys, so go pick up your ebook once you get done with this video. For now, we're going to start with an A minor chord. It's going to be 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And the final chord you need to know is E major. It's 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Once you get the chords down, you need to know the structure for the song. It's going to be intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, and then just chorus throughout the rest of the song. And luckily, most of those are going to be pretty much played the exact same way. So for your intro, this plays twice. You're going to start with, you're only playing your G and your B string, and you're starting with the 5th fret on both. And you're just palm muting those. And what that means is you're going to put the fleshy part of your hand here on the bridge of the guitar, in the right spot where you can still hear the notes, but they're muted. They're not ringing out. They're just muted, but not too much so to where you can't tell what the notes are. You should be able to hear the notes, but have them muted. They should sound a little bit punchy. You're doing that 3 times, just down picks, 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna go to 4 and 3, 4 on the G, 3 on the B, and you're playing that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna go down to 2 on the G, 1 on the B, and you're playing that twice. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then after that, you're just sliding right back up to 4 on the G, 3 on the B, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it starts all over right after the last 3 on the 4 and the 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now moving on to your verses, these are going to be played the exact same way for the first verse and the second verse. You're playing the exact same thing that you just played for your intro, except you're going to play it 4 times. The intro's twice. You're going to play it 4 times, and it changes up on the very last one. So the first 3 are the same as the intro. And then when you get to that 4th one, you're starting off the exact same way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then instead of going to 2 on the G, 1 on the B, you're going to go to 1 on the G, open on the B. So instead of here, you're here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And you're playing this, you're picking the same amount of times as you would in the normal one. You're just staying right there on the 1 and open. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna play that entire verse one time through so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. So next up is going to be your pre-chorus. Again, this is the exact same throughout both of them. It happens twice throughout the song. It's going to be a chord progression now. You're going to do that A minor. You're going to go to G. Then you're going to go to F. And then back to G. You're going to do that 3 times. And then for the final time, you're going E major, G, E major, G. And I'll show you what it looks like with the strumming pattern. Down, up, down on your A minor, and then you catch the strings to mute them. Down, up, down. G major, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then it starts over. Down, up, down. Up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Yeah, and that G actually stays for up, down, up, down, up, down. And then you jump to the A minor. So the A minor will start with a down, up, down. But then after the G, up, down, up, down, up, down. It just is an up, down because you're doing that first down on the G. So down, up, 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 and then you go, up, down, up, down on E. So up, down, 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 up, and then it starts over. So the way that E and that G looks like is down, up, 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 down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now once you get that down, all we have left is the chorus. Now, technically the chorus can be the exact same thing as the pre-chorus, so if you want to play the exact same thing, that's fine. I do think that they're staying, instead of switching from E to G to E to G, I think they're just staying on E for the very last time. So I'm going to play that part so you guys can see what that looks like. But if you want to play the exact same thing that you're playing for the pre-chorus, you can. It will work just fine. But here's how I think it looks with just going to the E. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.